This video is about one of these tasks in the WorldSkills for 2022 in the entry competition. It contains a 3D sketch. So we shall just go straight into the drawing. Okay, as usual anyway, we should start with saving, and I'll call this a 3D work. Make sure you have in the right folder. In my case, I have a folder for WorldSkills. This is just for demonstration. Then I go straight to Sketch. This one here to see. So I go in one of the planes, and in this palette here, in the Sketch palette, at the bottom there is something 3D Sketch. So highlight that one. And then I'm just going to follow the drawing, L for line. I go up 150 mils. Then I go to the right, 150 mils, press escape. So the next one, this one is in one plane. And this one comes out of this side. So, like I said, down here there is a 3D sketch. Make sure it's highlighted. Press on the small house. And then we need to make now L for line. And we need to make a line now coming out this plane. So I think we're going to follow this blue direction. Then I do 150 and press enter. So this is now the sketch. It has a fillet of 150, sorry, 75. The bottom and another fillet in this direction of 75. So that is now the sketch. So after you have finished this sketch, I'll push this one down a bit. You go to 3D, create, there's something called pipe. Then you click on pipe, touch the sketch you just made, make sure it is hollow. Section is 62 millimeters and the thickness is 5. So if you look at it, this is how the pipe should be. Okay. So that pipe is now finished. Then we go to one side of the pipe. Then do another sketch to finish off the drawing. Do a circle, 120. And then the thickness, extrude it. There, the thickness of 7.5. And then there is another extrusion on that one. Draw another circle. That one goes up to and look at the drawing. It is 80 mils. extrusion. Take off that. It is 2 mil thick. And then I do another sketch. There's a PCD of 100. Then there will be, we can change this PCD to construction line. And do a circle there. Then 6 circles of 8 millimeters. Then I do circular pattern. I pick the design, select one of the curved surfaces, put 8 instances. Yeah, I did choose circular pattern and I just chose the center. So we need to choose the object and then put 8. Say okay. Then we extrude. Pick all the instances. Just going through all, so I just pull this one back. Okay. It's now complete. Thank you.